This quick video shows you how to submit the programs that you have developed in Codio and deployed from Codio. So let's start with the whole process of deploying. Okay, in this case, I have just a project area, and I'm going to deploy the whole project. The file 3students.cpp will be the file that I want to submit. So let's go ahead and set up a deployed target. See if we have one. Manage target. Says I don't have a deployment target. I'm going to call it CIS. No base path. SFTP. And the host name is there. Username is and password. Destination path is going to be Codio PROG9. Notice that this PROG9 is just, I'm just making up an assignment. Now the next thing I want to do is, through tools again, deploy. Deploy it now. Deployment really means copy all these files over onto the CIS server. To do that, what's happening is Codio is logging in as you on the server and is copying files. Deployment is completed. How do we know it's completed? To do that, you can log in to SSH. SSH is just a way for you to log in to the CIS server, and we have a SSH target right here, so we can just say log in. The lightning bolt shouldn't have let me in that way. It's kind of weird. Okay, and now what I need to do is see if the files have been deployed. So let's take a look. When the files get deployed, they're going to be deployed as 2185 PROG3. So let's take a look. Do I have a 2185 PROG3? No. I said it was going to be deployed as Codio PROG9. Do I have such a file? Here it is, Codio PROG9. This is a folder or a directory, so I need to go inside the directory. I get inside a directory by changing directory to Codio PROG9. And once I'm in there, I want to see if the file I want to submit, the 3students.cpp, I want to see if that file is in there. And sure enough, here's the file. Because I'm in the directory where the file is located, I can submit it. The command is CSsubmit. Now, throughout the semester, you're going to be submitting files. Each file will belong to an assignment. So the CSsubmit requires that you say two things. One is what the assignment is, PROG9, and what the file is. The file is 3students.cpp. So with that, I'm able to submit. It's asking, do you want to grade this? At this point, there is no grader for PROG9, but you would say for yourself, you would have said yes. If there's a grader, there is a grader for PROG1 through 4. And when you do that, it's going to check your program and tell you what's wrong with it. Okay? Let's do something weird real fast. Okay, I will do it here. Okay, I'm getting ready to switch down to the secure shell where I know I have files. So I'm going to go to where I know where I have the program for G3. PROG3 is my GPA, so I'm going to just CSsubmit PROG3 mygpa.cpp. Notice that mygpa.cpp is where? Right here. This is my program. I have your programs here, but this is mine. And when you do that, you'll be asked, do you want to check it? If you hit enter, it means yes. And it goes through the process of grading your program and giving you a score. Most important thing is that when you do this, you're basically placing a copy of the file. Remember we did a 3 students thing? We did a file called 3 students. I can say show me the CPP files. I can say CS status space .cpp, and notice that I have the 3 students file that was submitted when I did the submission. So when you submit, your files go into this storage area that I'm able to look at, and I'm able to grade your programs. Okay. So in this case, I get 39 out of 40 points. If there's something wrong, I can see what's wrong. I can look at this file, or I can, by clicking on this link from the secure shell window, or I may have to copy the link, put it into a browser. Okay? So that's all I need to tell you, but these need to be done by the end of day. By 11 o'clock tomorrow night, I need all your programs submitted except for the one you're working on.